We are here today presenting the new all-in-one smart alarm panel, Alula Connect Flex. The panel has 96 zones, up to 50 users, and 8 partitions. Supports wide variety of wireless sensors, such as door-window sensors, motion detectors, smoke and leak detectors. We also support panic pendant, which is suitable for monitoring elderly people or people with disabilities. Video and photo verification is also supported through any on-vive cameras in the market. In our demo, we are using Digital Watchdog and Hikvision. The panel has integration with UV cameras. Here today we have UV doorbell with two-way audio and outdoor camera. The cameras offer HD video, two-way audio and video streaming. With the Z-Wave functionality of the panel, makes it suitable for smart home automation, supporting smart devices such as lights, smart locks, and thermostats. All these can be controlled through the Alula touchpad or through the Alula mobile application. Thank you.